Hello friends, welcome to the first episode of Photoshop tutorials with Mayur. Today I'm going to show you the interface of Photoshop 2022. So let's get started. So here you can see that if I create one document, whatever document I'm creating, leave it. So don't worry about it. So first of all, what you need to see is that the first row here you can see the file, edit, image layer. Can you see here in the top here? Yeah, this is called the menu bar. And here in the left hand side, this is called a toolbar. You can make the toolbar in one column or you can make it in two columns. That is totally up to you, whatever is convenient for you. The third row here you can see it is called the document bar. Whatever file you create, so it will be here. You can find it here. So you see, we can switch to the document 2, document 3, document 5, whatever. So if you hit here, you can see it is untitled 4, whatever document it is. So let's create another file, say new. So I'm creating here, so you can also rename here, but I'm not renaming it right now. I'll show you later on. So untitled 5, so create it. So here you can see the new document. So this is called document bar. Just above it, you can see this row, it is called the option bar. And in the right hand side, you can see the panel board. So here you can customize everything. And below here you can see here 100%. Can you see here 100%? Below here, this is this 100%. So this is called the status bar. So this is it, and this is called the workspace. So that's all for today. So let's meet you in next episode of Photoshop tutorials with Mayur. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Hello friends, welcome to the next episode 2 of Photoshop tutorials with Mayur. And today I'm going to show you how you can arrange your workspace and the Photoshop interface 2022. So for example, say if you something happens, so everything is messed up, okay? Something is not there and everything is messed up, then you don't know from where you want it, like a very organized. So it's very easy. You just have to go to window, go to workspace and go to reset essentials. Finish. It's fine, right? So that's it, how you can do it. As simple as that. So any problem happens, so whatever it is missing, anything it is missing, you just go here. Any problem here, that you workspace, reset essentials. Finish. That's it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you soon.